Namaste students, myself Dr. Swati KS, Assistant Professor, Department of Rashastra and Vaisheshya Kalpana, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. So today we will deal regarding the Avaleha Kalpana. So Avaleha Kalpana, so it is one of the most popular Kalpana due to its dosage form, so which helps in like easy administration, palatability, and for like long shelf life. So it is widely used as a rejuvenator, that is Rasayana, by the Acharya Charaka, Charaka, Shushruta, Vagvata, but also it also used in like diseases like in case of Kasa, Shwasa, Shotha, Maha, Malabandha, etc. So according to Acharya Kashyapa has given like importance to this kalpana and has described a separate chapter Leha Adhyaya in the Sutrasthana. So here use of like Madhura Dravya is of great importance because it has Shadendriya Prasadhana Guna and it nourishes like all the dhatus along with Oja. So Avaleha Kalpana is useful in all the three age groups that like Bala, Yuva, Vriddha. Bala is like children, Yuva is in the young age and Vriddha that is old age. So coming to the etymology. So lihyate so iti leha. So the recipes which are neither too thick or not too thin and which can be licked are called as leha. So the word avaleha is derived from liha dhatu and aswadana kriya. So here the word avaleha denotes the root of the administration. So coming to the definition, avaleha are the semi-solid form of the medicament and which can be prescribed by using liquid media that is like swaras, kwath, etc. and sweetening agent that is madhura examples like guda, sharkar, etc. and sneha dravyas like kritha, thaila and honey and prakshepaka dravyas. So according to the Sharangadhara, as mentioned in Madhyama Khanda 8 chapter 1st shloka number, Kvathadina punah pakat ghanatvam sa rasakriyaha so avalehasya leha syat tanmatra syat palonmitaha. So by this verse of like Sharangadhara has prescribed the pharmaceutical procedure of avaleha. So its synonyms and while commenting on the word like Kvathadina, Adamalla has said that it includes like Swarasa, Fanta, Kalka, etc. So next coming to this synonyms part, so Rasakriya, Leha, Avaleha, these are the synonyms which is mentioned by Acharya Sharangadhara. So Sharangadhara has included Rasakriya as the synonym of Avaleha and but Dallana he says that Rasakriya is a preparation similar to that of the Farnita and is known by the name by the name term called as Kakavi and Rasakriya Farnita Kritihi Kakavi iti loke. So Danlana commentary on Sushrita Sutra 87 chapter 20th shloka number. So next what is Farnita? So Bhavaprakasha Purvakanda, so it is mentioned Ikshu rasistu ya paka किंचित खाडो बहुद्रवः स एव इक्ष्विकारेषु ख्यातः फाणित संज्ञया. So that is sugarcane juice is boiled till its consistency increases, but there is more liquid portion in this, and this is derivative of sugarcane juice and is known as farnita. So while I'm commenting this on the words like Charak Sutra 27 to 39, Chakrapani has said that it indicates the Tantu Matwa stage of Kudapaka and it can be denoted it has like half reduced like sugarcane juice. So Acharya Charaka has used Farnita as the base material for the preparation of Avaleha for the Virechana drugs. Next coming to Rasakriya. So Rasakriyas, these are the semi-solid form of the medicament in which like aqueous solutions are concentrated till it achieve like thick consistency. Dalana has clearly mentioned the final like appearance of Rasakriya, that is its consistency should be equal to the Farnita, that is up to the thread appearing stage. And Acharya Shushruta has used this form of medicaments as Shodhana, Ropan, etc. And so these forms of medicaments are devoid of like sweet substance. And Sharangadhar has used Rasakriya as a synonym of Leha Avaleha. The reason for this might be maybe the like same pharmaceutical procedure. So next, what is like Ghana? So ghana is the solid medicament and prepared by heating the quatha till the aqueous part is completely it should get evaporated, and sometimes only powder drugs are added in the semi-solid stage to get converted into tablet form. So here it may conclude that all the four preparations are having same pharmaceutical procedures, that is Quathadina Puna Pakat. So but the final form and basic materials are different. Next come to the Anuktamana. So when the ratio of the essential ingredients to be taken in any Avaleha preparation, if it is not mentioned in the classical reference, then the Anuktamana has to be followed. So to one part of Aushadha Dravya, that is fine powder of medicinal drugs, Sharkara or Khanda Sharkara should be added 4 parts. So if the one part of Aushadha Dravya is there means, so Khanda Sharkara or the Sharkara, Khanda Sharkara is like sugar candy. So it should be added 4 parts, and if you are adding Guda or Jaggery means we can add 2 parts, and if any Dravadravya liquid materials if you are adding means we can add 4 parts to the Aushadha Dravya. So this is regarding the Avaleha Kalpana. So if you have any queries, please to mention in the comment box so that I can resolve it. Thank you.